Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the importance of software. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of software. Software plays a crucial role in today's world, permeating nearly every aspect of our lives in various industries. Its importance can be understood from several perspectives. Number one, automation and efficiency. Software automates tasks and processes, significantly increasing efficiency. It can perform repetitive tasks without fatigue, reducing errors, improving productivity. In industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and finance, software-driven automation has transformed operations. Number two, innovation. Software enables innovation by providing a platform for experimentation, rapid prototyping. Developers can create new applications, products, and services relatively quickly, fostering technological advancements in various fields. Number three, communication and collaboration. Software powers communication tools including email, instant messaging, and video conferencing. These tools facilitate global collaboration and knowledge sharing, making it easier for people to work together, irrespective of their geographic locations. Number four, data management and analysis. Businesses that rely on software for data storage, retrieval, and analysis. Advanced analytic tools can extract valuable insights from large datasets, helping organizations make informed decisions and gain a competitive edge. Number five, personalization. Many software applications, specifically in marketing, e-commerce, use data to offer personalized experiences to users. This personalization improves user satisfaction and can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Number six, entertainment and creativity. Software is at the heart of entertainment industry, from various video games to streaming services to music production software. Creative professionals rely on software tools to produce content across various media. Number seven, education. Educational software enhances the learning experience, making it more interactive and accessible. Online courses, simulations, and educational games are examples on how software is transforming education. Number nine, healthcare. Software is integral to patient care, from electronic health records (EHRS) to medical imaging and telemedicine platforms. It enables healthcare providers to deliver better care and manage patient information securely. Number nine, security. Software is essential for cybersecurity, helping protect against cyber threats, malwares, and data breaches. Security software and protocols are crucial for safeguarding sensitive information. 10. Environmental impact. Software can optimize resource usage and energy consumption, contributing to sustainability efforts. For example, smart grids and energy management software helps reduce energy waste. 11. Accessibility. Software can improve accessibility for individuals with disabilities. Screen readers, speech recognition software, and other assistive technologies enable people with disabilities to use computers and internet effectively. 12. Global connectivity. The internet and software applications enable global connectivity, fostering international trade, diplomacy, and cultural exchange. 13. Research and development. Scientists and researchers rely on software for simulations, data analysis, and modeling in various fields, from climate science to pharmaceutical research. 14. Government and public services. Governments use software for various purposes, including tax collection, public transportation management, disaster response. E-government initiatives aim to provide more accessibility and efficient public services through software. In summary, software is a cornerstone of modern society, driving innovation, improving efficiency, enhancing communication, and impacting nearly every aspect of our lives. Its importance will continue to grow as technology advances and become even more intertwined with our daily activities. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of software. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.